Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to join our learning journey. Capital City. Sarajevo is the capital of Bosnia and Herzegovina, known for its rich history and mix of Ottoman, Austro-Hungarian, and Yugoslav influences. Bridge of Mostar, the Stari Most, Old Bridge, in Mostar, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is an iconic symbol of Bosnia and Herzegovina, rebuilt after being destroyed in the Bosnian War. Diverse cultures. Bosnia and Herzegovina is home to three main ethnic groups: Bosniaks, Muslims, Croats, Catholics, and Serbs, Orthodox Christians. War and peace. The Bosnian War, 1992-1995, was one of the most devastating conflicts in Europe since World War II, ending with the Dayton Agreement. Sarajevo Olympics. Sarajevo hosted the Winter Olympics in 1984, showcasing the country's natural beauty and athletic potential. Bosnian Pyramids. In the town of Visoko, there is a controversial claim of ancient pyramids being present, although this theory remains unproven. Cevapi. A traditional Bosnian dish, cevapi are small grilled sausages typically served with flatbread and onions, popular throughout the Balkans. Mehmed Pasha Sokolović Bridge. Another UNESCO World Heritage Site, this 16th-century Ottoman bridge in Visegrad was made famous by Nobel Prize-winning author Ivo Andrić in his novel The Bridge on the Drina. Religious tolerance. Sarajevo is often called the Jerusalem of Europe because of its long-standing tradition of religious diversity and tolerance. Medieval steci. These medieval tombstones, scattered across Bosnia and Herzegovina, are another UNESCO World Heritage Site and a symbol of the country's historical depth. Dayton Agreement. The 1995 Dayton Agreement ended the Bosnian War and established Bosnia and Herzegovina as a country with two entities: the Federation of Bosnia and Herzegovina and Republika Srpska. Sarajevo's siege. Sarajevo endured the longest siege in modern history, lasting nearly 4 years during the Bosnian War. Bosnian coffee. Similar to Turkish coffee, Bosnian coffee is an important part of the country's culture and social life. Medjugorje. This small town is a major pilgrimage site for Catholics, known for the reported apparitions of the Virgin Mary since 1981. Neretva River. Flowing through Mostar, the Neretva River is known for its emerald green waters and scenic beauty. Kriva Chupria, also known as the Crooked Bridge. This small stone bridge in Mostar is a lesser-known but charming historical site, often compared to the Stari Most. Olympic bobsleigh track. The abandoned bobsleigh track from the 1984 Winter Olympics still stands on Mount Trebević and is a popular spot for graffiti artists. Tito's legacy. Bosnia and Herzegovina was part of Yugoslavia, and the legacy of Josip Broz Tito remains significant in the country, with many monuments and streets named after him. Jahorina. One of the country's most popular ski resorts, located near Sarajevo, was a key venue during the 1984 Winter Olympics. Vučko. The mascot of the 1984 Winter Olympics in Sarajevo, Vučko, a little wolf, is still remembered fondly and symbolizes the city's Olympic history.